That's slightly angle. It's me ways through. And there is Lois Brinkley wanted.
These design specifications improve the performance parameters.
Agreed, this will maximize efficiency and reduce overall cost.
The life cycle assessment confirms we've reduced waste by 20%.
The tensile strength exceeds our performance parameters.
We need to review the material stress points here.
The Inconel should handle the thermal load. The simulation confirms the Six Sigma threshold.
The tensile strength parameters for the new composite exceed the requirements by 15%.
That's promising. How does
The design specs on the propulsion component are holding up.
and the cobot's performance data confirms the quality throughout the life cycle.
If we adjust the flow rate here, we meet the international standard.
Agreed. I'm updating the critical design specifications on the tablet.
These critical design specifications and material properties are key.
The performance parameters look good. We can meet the manufacturing requirements.
The dimensional tolerance on this batch is perfect.
Confirmed. Material specs match the schematic. We are cleared for production.
The data looks good. We've met all quality standards for the new line.
Yes, tolerances are confirmed. We are ready for production.
Meticulous attention to these tolerances is critical for the lifecycle performance.
I am ensuring full compliance with the quality standards before commencement.
All material specifications are compliant with international standards.
Regulatory checklist signed off. We are ready for production.
Quality checkpoint 335.18 passed material specification review.
Automated processes confirmed. We can commence production.
All systems green. The yield rate is optimal.
Exceptional quality across the board. The structural integrity test just passed. Look at the data here.
Excellent. We can proceed with the next phase of assembly.
Primary manufacturing sequence showing highly trained Caucasian male technicians and sophisticated automated systems installing critical industrial components utilizing coordinate measuring machines.
Dimensional accuracy is confirmed.
Quality assurance systems show a full pass. We can move this to the next stage.
The dimensional accuracy is within the required sigma level.
Confirmed. The surface finish quality meets the AS9100 standard as well.
Validate the structural integrity readout on panel 4.
Confirmed. The automated systems are performing flawlessly.
The dimensional accuracy is exceptional. CPEAK is well over the Six Sigma requirement.
Confirmed. We can authorize the batch transfer.
Implementing Industry 4.0 integration, we provide reliable industrial solutions across diverse sectors.
As you can see, the dimensional accuracy meets the rigorous international standards.
Yes, the structural integrity is fully compliant.
The automated optical inspection confirms the structural integrity.
Real-time monitoring shows we are.
The data confirms exceptional dimensional accuracy and surface finish quality on batch 335.44. Primary manufacturings, showing highly trained African American female technicians and sophisticated automated systems, ultrasonic bonding.
CMM results confirm exceptional dimensional accuracy across the batch.
And the sustainable methods are clearly paying off.
Check the dimensional accuracy on the latest batch.
The laser scan shows a near perfect surface finish, well within tolerance.
Beginning comprehensive integration mechanism engaged. Functional verification engaged.
The pneumatic circuit verification is complete.
Redundant fail-safe mechanisms engaged perfectly. We have optimal performance.
Interface alignment is nominal. Confirming redundancy check now.
All green on the thermal scan, ready for final verification.
The high-pressure fluid systems have passed comprehensive interface testing, demonstrating optimal performance at 330.
We're looking at the sophisticated predictive maintenance systems now, focusing on comprehensive interface compatibility testing.
We need to verify the fail-safe mechanisms against the international standards.
All parameters are green. Functional verification is complete.
Critical subsystem integration phase, meticulously installing wireless communication integration in modules, analyzing sophisticated data-driven decision-making with comprehensive interface compatibility testing.
The accelerated test cycle is complete. Look at the reliability metrics.
Statistical analysis confirms it. We are clear for full production release.
The data acquisition results look good. The statistical analysis confirms compliance.
All right, let's sign off on the production release.
All parameters are within tolerance. The statistical model supports full deployment.
Initiating production release sequence.
Statistical analysis confirms optimal performance. All protocols met.
Documentation is complete.
Authorizing full production release.
Six Sigma analysis confirms the durability metrics are within tolerance.
Data acquisition is flawless.
Authorizing full production release.
The analysis confirms the component integrity under these stress parameters.
Meticulously documented. I'm signing off on the production release.
comprehensive analysis is complete. We can authorize full production release.
All data meticulously documented. The analysis is complete.
Test 335.85 is approved for full production release.
Centaurs. The comprehensive statistical analysis is complete.
We've met all regulatory requirements.
The predictive maintenance metrics are exceeding the threshold.
Yes, the instrumentation confirms the statistical analysis. We can authorize the full production release.
As you can see, the data acquisition confirms optimal performance across the life cycle.
Agreed.
All parameters are within the rigorous international standards.
Meticulously documented. Authorizing full production release.
Performance validation is complete. The data supports full deployment.
Agreed. Authorize the production release.
The predictive analytics tracking shows maximized operational efficiency.
Yes, and the integrated systems confirm exceptional customer satisfaction levels.
Operational availability is maximized across the globe.
And customer satisfaction levels are exceptional this quarter.
Diagnostics on Unit 335.94 are complete. All systems are green.
Excellent. The predictive maintenance...
Implementing structured troubleshooting resolution protocols utilizing lean manufacturing principles with advanced digital management platforms and integral analytics systems.
Utilizing Six Sigma quality standards and advanced digital platforms, we ensure optimal product performance.
The continuous improvement practices are clearly working.
Regulatory compliance is strong across all regions.
This platform allows us to monitor the sustainable manufacturing process in real time.
So this ensures continuous quality improvement.
Comprehensive operational support phase, implementing dedicated customer support operations centers, utilizing digital transformation initiatives.
Functions.
Our comprehensive operational support utilizes integrated fleet management and supply chain optimization.
Implementing AI-powered predictive maintenance algorithms, utilizing predictive maintenance systems with
As you can see, the IoT monitoring systems show 100% availability across the board.
The cloud diagnostic on Unit 335.104 shows an anomaly.
Implementing the predictive maintenance protocol now.
Comprehensive operational support phase, implementing comprehensive preventive maintenance scheduling, utilizing precision engineering methodologies.
The new optimization algorithm shows a 40% efficiency gain.
We can apply that directly to the industrial robotics division.
The integrity models look solid on the latest iteration.
Agreed. Thermal is stabilizing within parameters.
Look at the stabilization on the phase currents.
The integrated cooling system is performing flawlessly. We have a breakthrough.
The latency on the URLC slice is holding steady below 1 millisecond.
Confirmed. The synchronization across the factory AGVs is perfect.
The sensor fusion data on Quadrant 3 looks stable.
Agreed. The LiDAR correlation is holding steady, even with the increased variables.
Look at the energy density readings. It's exactly what we predicted.
Yes, the breakthrough is confirmed. This changes everything for the operational life cycle.
We've successfully met the rigorous international standards. The scalability looks promising.
Yes, regulatory compliance is assured globally.
The microstructure near the melt pool boundary shows a finer grain structure than expected.
That aligns with
The stress analysis on the fuselage looks good.
Rerunning the simulation now.
Quality check passed on Module 7.
The ERP analytics clearly show a 15% efficiency gain in Q3.
And the market intelligence confirms our sustained advantage in the APAC region.
The sustainability report metrics show we've optimized resource allocation by 15%.
And the market intelligence. By integrating the ERP analytics with our market intelligence systems, we can optimize critical organizational decisions and maintain our competitive advantage. This strategic alignment optimizes our manufacturing across all hubs.
It gives us a significant competitive advantage in the dynamic markets. Reroute the critical shipments through the new corridor.
Confirmed. The ERP analytics are updating now.
Excellent. This sustains our competitive advantage.
The market intelligence suggests we proceed with a cost reduction analysis in the European sector.
Agreed. The ERP data supports that strategy. The market intelligence shows our positioning is strengthening globally.
Agreed. The ERP analytics confirm a sustained advantage. We need to optimize resource allocation now.
A
A complete industrial production ecosystem, strategically integrated within broader global manufacturing infrastructure.
Strategically integrated within a global manufacturing infrastructure, serving diverse industrial needs worldwide.
The throughput is exceeding our projections by 15%.
And the quality assurance metrics are holding steady.